If you know me by now, you will know how much I care about my hair, the health of my hair. So I've got this shower filter from this brand Long River R7 shower filter, and that's how it looks like. It has little balls, little filter balls inside of it that will filter out all the bad things that will come and touch your scalp and like cause your hair to fall out and damage basically your hair quality. It's super easy to install it. It has you install it from here and from here on the shower head, and that's it. You will get the water flowing. I have installed it, so you basically screw it in from here, and then you screw the hose down from here, or wherever you think it's suitable. This is the brand here, and then let's switch on the water. This is very nice and amazing. It will help your hair, it will help your skin, will filter out the chlorine, will filter out all those unwanted extra stuff that you find in the water that may damage your skin and your hair. I love this filter. It also like looks elegant, doesn't it? I really love it. Hope you like it. And thank you for watching. Cheers.